It's Super Dojo here. I'm filming off of one of my other phones. It's an HTC One. It's old, and we're actually going to do a couple cold starts. We're gonna start up the Impreza and the WRX. It's raining right now too, but it's also really cold. So I'm sorry if this audio is not the best. I apologize for that. Just bear with me. This is a 2018 WRX. This is actually my brother Aaron's. Oh, that chime is awesome. Alright, just take a good listen. Oh, clutch. Oh, don't you just love the sound of these boxer motors when they're nice and cold? That sounds great. Alright, we're gonna let this one warm up and we're gonna fire up the Impreza. I took the Impreza to school today because the Montero I'm still working on. Oh, I hope this one doesn't get too wet. Hey, the windshield wipers are still up. Ooh, this one's cold too. Sounds good though. Sounds as good as that one. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end here before the rain goes back up and floods out my HTC One. It's not waterproof like my iPhone. My iPhone is full right now, which is why I'm using this. So stay tuned. There will be more cold starts coming soon. There's soon gonna be a cold start with my car and my Samurai and maybe some of the other cars we got. But anyway, peace out for now.